Hey guys, welcome to Urban Loop Studio, where you can book your design services on our website. You want to first go to Shop, select Services, and click on the service that you're looking for to book. For floor plans, you can see basic service groups with the pricing included. We also have our renovation services, interior design services, and decor. If you need help trying to understand more details about these services, you can always head over to Shop, a la carte menu of services, where you can see a detailed list of the services that are included, as well as the description. In order to help expedite the services during your 15-minute consultation, you can always refer to the basic package, luxe package, high roller package, or create your own when communicating with us what you are needing for your project. So please take a look at this a la carte menu of services to learn more about what services you'll need. If this is all too overwhelming, you can always head over to Shop and Masterclass, where you can begin learning about the terminology, the process, and other steps needed for embarking on the journey of designing your dream home. These sessions are roughly 45 minutes to an hour and can be watched at your leisure. If you don't have the time to watch these, you can always head back over to Services and Consultations to book any of our complimentary consultations or our introductory onboarding services to help you get started and get your feet wet without having to invest heavily into the service while you're still making your decision on what to do. We look forward to seeing you. You're welcome to book any of our services, and if you have any questions, you can always contact us by filling out this inquire form.